Captain Keith with MarineMax in Clearwater. Today I'm going to walk you through a 19 SPX Outboard. It's our newest addition to the showroom here. As with all the 19 SPXs, you've got a real spacious, deep bow seating area where you're actually sitting down inside the boat. Storage underneath port and starboard cushions. This has got woven infinity decking, snaps in, so if you want to have a day at the beach, you don't want to have the carpeting in, you can just take it out, of course. Big storage compartment here on the port side. Also storage bin on the top. Got your owner's manuals in there. Excuse me. Back this way. Bucket seats. And these will spin around. So, you're having a day at the beach, spin that around, kick your legs up there. Port side seat also spins around. Turn around like that. There's bolsters, so you can flip those seats up if you want. Coming back on the starboard aft bench seat, there's storage underneath this seat. And then under the center part, you got another storage bin, and or it could be used as a cooler. Since we're an outboard, we don't have the I/O space taking up all this, so another huge cavernous area for storage on both sides. Then briefly back up here to the helm. It's got a Simrad 5-inch chart plotter, which will have your chart information as well as depth. You've got a Fusion stereo. It's also Bluetooth capable, AM, FM, and Bluetooth. Your lights, ignition, bilge pump switch. Bilge pump is totally automatic. Even with the battery switch in the off position, the bilge pump will still work. And like all the 19 SPXs, underneath this hatch right here, you got a cooler, and then there's a battery switch located right there. This Mercury 150 4-stroke also has the Vessel View Mobile with this engine. So if you get the Mercury Vessel View Mobile app on your phone, get everything synced up, then Mercury will be able to keep track of your hours. If there's any codes or alarms or anything like that, it'll all be available to them without you having to do anything. So that's a quick walkthrough 19 SPX here at Clearwater. Thank you for your time.